नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अन हाफिज़ा सदक अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Welcome to the first lesson part 1. Before move on, there are few things which I need to tell you. Number 1, in the Arabic language how many letters are there? If we say 28, it is correct, and if we say 29, it is correct. But you need to understand what each of those mean. Now, why 28 or 29? You have to understand that there are 28 letters with sound. 28 letters have sound and there is one letter that does not have a sound. It is used for stretch purposes in the Arabic language. So there are in total 29 letters, but the sound letters are only 28. One letter that does not have a sound, that is the first letter in the Arabic language. Also, you need to understand that there are heavy sounds in the Arabic language and there are light sounds in the Arabic language. What do you mean by heavy sound and light sound? You will see practically as we begin our first lesson, but first thing you need to know that the difference between the heavy sound and the light sound. Light sound, the sound comes out of the mouth. For example, if you say the word cat, cat. Heavy sound, the sound remains in the mouth and the mouth is full of sound. For example, awesome, awesome. So follow this. Let's move on to our first lesson. On the top, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is the lesson number and this is the content number. It's telling us what is inside the lesson. These are the Arabic letters as you can see starting from Alif to Ja. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and these two are actually the same. So the first letter is here, Alif. 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 You can read after me. Alif. Alif. Alif pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Alif. Alif. Now you see the letter Ba. If you look at the name of it, it ends with Alif. We say the Alif which is used for what? Does it has a sound? No, it is only used for stretch purposes. It is only used for stretch purposes. The letter Ba pronounced by closing two lips from the wet part of the lips. The letter of Ba pronounced. The next letter is Ta. The letter of Ta pronounced from tip of the tongue touching root of the front two teeth. Ta. Ta. Pronounce Ba. 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 Very softly. Ba. Ta. Ta. The next letter is Sa. The letter of Sa pronounced from tip of the tongue and tip of the front two teeth. Sa. Sa. Softly. Sa. You can read after me. Sa. Sa. Jim. The letter of Jim pronounced from center of the tongue and middle of the palate. Jim is pronounced. Jim. You can read after me. Jim. Jim. Once more time. Alif. 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 Ba. Ta. Ta. Jim. Jim. Sadaqallahul Azim. My dear learners, I hope you did understand how to pronounce these letters correctly. Watch it again and again until you memorize these letters. Jazakumullahu khair for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.